The DNA is in the shape of a double helix, which is the same shape as a spiral staircase. The sides of the DNA are made up of phosphates and sugar, and they alternate in a regular pattern. The middle is made up of 4 bases, A, C, G, and T, and they connect through hydrogen bonds. Your sequence of DNA determines your eye color, hair color, and other characteristics that you have.
RNA is one unpaired side of the DNA code, and it has phosphates and ribose sugars alternating on the outside, and A, C, G, and U bases. The difference between RNA and DNA is that they have different kinds of sugars, and while DNA has the base T, RNA has the base U. The connection is that mRNA is an identical copy of one side of the DNA code. Transcription happens first when the promoter region gets turned on. The gene is activated, then the RNA polymerase comes and attaches the 2 complementary bases together, and while doing so reads the bases and makes a copy of them. When the polymerase is done copying the DNA, the mRNA is made and ready to leave the nucleus. The first codon of the RNA strand attaches to a ribosome and a tRNA molecule carrying an amino acid. Then another transfer molecule carrying an amino acid comes to the ribosome, and the anticodons of the transfer molecule and the RNA bind together. The 2 amino acids on the transfer molecules then bind together using a peptide bond. The transfer molecule is then released from the RNA strand. The ribosome will then move to the next anticodon.